Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you two steps to convert PDF into the Word so that you can edit it. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have 2019 or 2016 and above version of MS Office. So if you have that, just open the Word and click on open, and I'm going to show you to edit this one with a Word. And go to this PC and browse the location guys where you have saved it, and in my case I'm going to desktop and the CCNA study guide.pdf. Open that and it will take some time. We need to click on OK here. In the second method guys, if you don't have the Word MS Office here, so I will show you also. Now it's opening into the Word. You can see it is uploaded now and it has been converted. Now you can see you can simply edit it. You can see enable editing. Okay, and now you should be able to edit it. So once you're able to edit it from here, so in my case my Word is not licensed, so this one is for the open source guys and everyone should have this. You just need to log in with your Gmail. So this is the first method guide. If your MS Office is activated, it should work fine and you are able to edit it, everything here. Everything you are able to edit. But let's say if you don't have the MS Word, so we have also option for you. Okay, so now you just need to open the Google Chrome and you need to log in with your Gmail ID account. Once you have login guys, go to 9 dots here and click on here the drive option. Here is the drive, and once you on drive here, click on my drive. Okay, and just you need to upload this PDF here, like you can drag it this way. Just you need to drag it like this. Okay, you can replace it just to show you that now it has been uploaded successfully. You just need to right click on the PDF and click on open with, and then click on Docs, Google Docs, and now you should able to edit it and modify the changes, and it will work fine in all the windows. And if you have, you just need to have the Google account here guys. You can see I'm able to edit it and it is working fine. You can see, and once you have added that, you can download that. So how to download that? Go to file and we need to click on download and just here and choose the format which you want. Like you can choose the PDF again or you can choose the Word again. So let me show here the PDF. Now it is going to download now and it has been downloaded successfully. and it has been downloaded in the this section, downloaded. So these are the two steps guys to download and edit any PDF file on your Windows 10, 11 or any other versions. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.